The number of COVID-19 cases increased by 1,718 in the last 24 hours, pushing the overall tally up to 33,050. According to the Union Health Ministry data, the number of deaths went up to 1,074 after 66 more people died of the disease in the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry's dashboard showed at 8 a.m. today. The number of the active COVID-19 cases stood at 23,651, while 8,324 people have recovered and one patient have migrated. The total number of cases include 111 foreign nationals, the ministry said. Maharashtra has the highest number of cases and is inching towards the 10,000 mark. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, who is also the executive member of Manipur BJP, has made arrangement to evacuate all students and laborers from Jiribam who are currently stranded in Imphal. 33 of them were brought back to Jiribam in 3 vehicles today. Following a video uploaded on Facebook about the death of a deer in an undisclosed location yesterday, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, along with a team of top police officials including Thawbal Superintendent of Police Dr. Ibomcha, made inquiries. It was then learned that the video, which went viral, was uploaded by one Abung Maibam of Salungpham Kang, Yambim Laikai. The deer was found as carcass by passerby under Maryland village of Technopol district on 27th of April. Technopol police are now investigating the incident. A month-long relay blood donation camp organized by 3 major students' organizations, Apunba Iraipaki Maheroi Singpanglup AIMS, All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam, and Desam, concluded today. The blood donation camp under the theme Maheroi Khunai Amadi Laipak Miyamgidamak Kathoklaba I was carried out at RIMS, Jenims and Caesar hospitals, in which around 200 individuals donated blood. 5 persons donated blood at Jenims and 15 at RIMS today. Fresh vegetables brought by residents of Machi village under Technopol district and Khudai Kuno village under Chandel district were today distributed to police personnel, medical staff and employees of Kakching Municipal Council at Kakching headquarters. Amid the COVID-19 lockdown, volunteers of Manipur Central Youth Club MCYC, Kaisampa Junction, Imphal today distributed food items to around 250 households in Kaisampa Junction area at the doorstep. The distribution was carried out under the sponsorship of social activist Johnson Ilangbam. Rural Health and Socio-Economic Development Association Oinam today distributed relief materials to around 2,000 households of Oinam village in Bisnupur district. Association Secretary A. Ibomcha, former Oinam MLA Dr. I. Ibohaldi, volunteers of Red Cross Society Bishnupur District Branch and others took part in the event. Ibomcha said that the items were brought from the money contributed by Oinam locals and Dr. I. Ibohaldi. A combined team of Imphal West Commando and Imphal West Police Patrol Unit detained around 60 people for violating lockdown. They did not wear face masks nor possess curfew pass. They were later handed over to City Police Station, a police report said. BJP Manipur State Vice President Benjamin Mate, along with office bearers of BJP Technopol Mandal, distributed essential food items to residents of Saivom, Technopol, Phalbung, Chelem, Sita, Leibi, Saibol, Narum, Simang, Bongmal and Khuibu. Face masks were also distributed to the villages. Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga said that massive efforts are being made to upgrade Lengpui Airport, the lone airport in the state. According to a media report, Zoramthanga said resurfacing of the runway and repairing of road between landing area and terminal building is in progress during lockdown to ensure that Mizoram has good airports akin to those in other states. Defense sources have claimed that the center's Arogya Setu application can be misused by Pakistan intelligence operatives by slight tampering of its name. According to media reports, Pakistan-based intel operatives have deployed a malicious application, arogyasetu.apk, that they allegedly sent to Indian defense personnel through WhatsApp from the United Kingdom. Defense officials explained that once a malicious software is installed on a device, it has the ability to extract sensitive information about the forces and send it to the originator without the knowledge of the owner.